My name is Isabel Strouse. I'm graduating in May with degrees in biological sciences and psychology, and I'm a part of the Bimonte-Nelson Neuroscience of Memory and Aging Research Laboratory. So we research the effects of hormones on memory and learning across the lifespan, and we have a specific emphasis on women's health. So we study a lot of rat models of menopause and hormone therapy and birth control to determine how cognitively use of those hormones will impact memory and learning with aging. So we do a lot of community outreach. We have always been a part of Night of the Open Door. At ASU, we host brain fairs that bring Title I elementary school students to ASU and expose them to neuroscience and education, and we really try to drive home why getting a college degree is so important and try to spark passion for education in those students. And we also most years go to Red Mountain during their STEM day and host a brain booth over there too to get some high school students exposed to neuroscience. So my honors thesis was evaluating the effects of intrauterine device use. Intrauterine device, or an IUD, is a form of contraception that a lot of women use. And right now clinically it's pretty predominantly claimed that use of the IUD only affects the local uterine tissue and doesn't exert systemic effects in addition to that. But what we know about how hormones circulate through the blood and affect cognition, we figure that that's probably likely not fully the case. So we created a novel model of the IUD, something our lab has never done before, but I was really excited to find out how release of the hormone that we used by an IUD as opposed to subcutaneous injection, which is systemic circulation, could impact cognitive outcomes. And so we created a model of a Levonorgestrel-Releasing IUD, which a common brand name for that would be Mirena, as well as a control blank IUD to determine whether insertion of an IUD with hormone affects cognition, as well as insertion of an IUD without hormones, so having anything in the uterine cavity at all could impact cognition.